National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Russell County in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Washington County in southwestern Virginia, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Abingdon, Lebanon, Glade Spring, Lindell, Rosedale, Emery Meadowview, and Holston. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. WNG588. Broadcasting from the National Weather Service.
Yep, that is WNG588. Well, as you heard, for this flash flood warning issued by MRX for Washington County, Virginia, in which WNG588 has. And this warning here is just one of the many times where I do something completely typical for any human to do. And then I get an app notification for something like a severe thunderstorm or flash flood, one in this case. And then I just instantly get a water radio and tune to that station for that alert. Could be any of these radios here, or just this one.